So, advanced care planning (ACP), and here's why you need to get your advanced care planning done. Okay, and there's a reason there are those reasons there, and then you can actually read them yourself. Okay, now what is advanced care planning? Before we even get to how to choose a nursing home, what is advanced care planning? To let people know what you want, to plan for the future. Okay, so anyone here has this kind of reservation about it? Well, I don't want to talk about aging. I don't want to talk about death. I don't want to talk about dying. Anyone here has that kind of reservation about it? Okay, that's a very good thing that you don't have any reservations about it. And why should we not have reservations or being reluctant about talking about it? Because, well, it's going to come either way, no matter you are reluctant or not, right? Okay, I wish I don't have to grow old, but apparently that's not the case, okay? So if you don't get anything out of today's class, get this and remember this, okay? You need to get your power of attorney done, POA. Okay. Then what is power of attorney? Power of attorney, that is someone to make decisions for you when you cannot make decisions for yourself. Right. That's there. You do not need a lawyer to do power of attorney. You just go to Missouri Bar Association's website. That's here. And then you download a blank copy. You can just write it down, who you decide to give your the decision-making power to, okay? And then you just have to get this thing notarized. That's it. That's good enough, okay? You do not have to do hire a lawyer and whatnot, because that's money we're talking about. Now, can you have a lawyer do this for you? Yes, you can, of course. Yes, you can, but you don't have to. Okay. Now, power of attorney. You need to find someone that you trust, and that you think this person knows what you are looking for. This person knows what you want, right? To make decisions for you. And there is the general power of attorney, and that's general. That's can make decisions for you for just anything. And then there is you can separate that. This is a financial power of attorney. This is a medical power of attorney. And then so this person. Mary is just gonna make decisions for my financial, versus John is gonna make decisions for my medical. Just stuff like that, right? So you can specify that, but regardless, if you don't have it, you need to get it done like as soon as possible. And so now, but are you worried that once you get this done, then that person is going to start taking over, start to, making decisions for you? No, they cannot, because it's illegal. So once you get your power of attorney paperwork done, the person that you assigned on your power of attorney paperwork that can make decisions for you, that the person has a specific name. The name is called agent. That job title is called agent, okay? So your agent will be able to make decisions for you when you are medically deemed incapacitated. Who can medically deem you incapacitated? Your doctor, okay? So you get the power of attorney paperwork done, and that's it. That paperwork is actually not active. It's actually hibernating. It's sleeping. It's dormant. Okay, that thing is not active until your doctor deemed you after the medical evaluation, cognitive evaluation, and then after your doctor or doctors, depending on one doctor or two doctors that you request. After your doctor deemed you incapacitated, cognitively, you are no longer capable of making decisions. Okay, the doctor has to put that the evaluation result in writing and then sign it, so that the moment your doctor does that, that means that your power of attorney then becomes active, and that the legal term is called enact. Okay, enact, enact. Okay, enacted. So once this your POA is enacted by the doctor's evaluation, now your POA can start. Your agent can start making decisions for you. Okay. However, now it's active, and your agent is making decisions for you. Is there an expiration time or date for your POA? Yes, there is. The expiration time and date is when you are expired. Okay, so when you die, when you are expired, that POA also expires. Okay, why? Because, like I said, the power of attorney paper, your agent can only make decisions for you when you are not able to make decisions for yourself when you are alive. Okay? Once you die, then that power of attorney stops. And what starts? Your will starts. Okay? Therefore, your power of attorney and your will, they will never, ever overlapping. They will never overlap, okay? Because one stops, the other one starts, okay? Does that make sense? Okay, good. So get your power of attorney done as soon as possible. Get your living will done as soon as possible. Your living will, that includes, well, I bequeath my, properties, whatever, to so-and-so, that kind of thing, right? Don't forget, in your living will, there is one very, very crucial element that you need to put in, because sometimes people forget about that. What are you going to do with your body? Okay, so that part you need to put that in your living will, because you were the person who you named in that your living will is gonna be the person who, that's called executor, right? And then they are gonna do whatever you want them to do. That includes what you want to do with your body, right? Okay, so living will now. There's another thing, it's called medical directives, okay? And medical directives, that is that, when I cannot speak for myself, say when I'm in a coma, okay? When I cannot speak for myself, when I'm in a coma, and the doctor also finds that I have liver failure, or I have a kidney failure. And then kidney failure. Do I want to have dialysis, done on me? Okay. When my esophagus is not working anymore. Okay. And then I'm in a coma. I'm not gonna say to you what I wanted to be done or not. Then am I gonna have a feeding tube since my esophagus is not working, right? Or when I'm in a coma, I cannot make decisions for myself. And then the doctor finds that I have cancer. Then do I want to get the radiation therapy? Do I want to get chemotherapy? All those are very, very crucial, very critical questions. If you go to Missouri Bar Association, you can actually download that form for medical directives. And there are 9 questions that, like I just asked, that if you are in a coma, if you are unconscious, and then if they find cancer, would you like to have chemotherapy done on you, or would you like to have radiation done on you? So 9 different questions like that, very difficult questions. But basically, you are gonna have to think about when you are in a coma, And why are we doing this? Because, well, I already have a POA, and then the power of attorney is going to make decisions for me. Aren't they? Right? They are going to make decisions for me. And then why am I still doing this? Because, well, as well as you know me, right? And when you are pulling the plug, quote unquote, when you are deciding that, well, Chien, no, he's not gonna do chemotherapy, he's not gonna do feeding tube, he's not gonna be on dialysis. When you are making that decision for me, aren't you feel a little bit, yeah, I don't know, because this is, I don't want to kill him, right? So then with that, then you can go, hey, guess what? He actually said it in his medical directives. So this is what he wants. So I'm gonna help him get these things that he wants. I'm gonna help him not get these things that he wants. He doesn't want. Okay. Now, so that's your medical directives, and there's another thing, and that is called DNR. What is DNR? That's right. Oh, you guys came prepared, huh? Do not resuscitate. Okay, turn to this next page. This should be the slide 7 here. So, do not resuscitate DNR. There are a lot of information. There's a lot of information. The DNR, DNI, that they are different. DNR is do not resuscitate. DNI is do not intubate. They are different. Okay, and then if you are not sure about these, you can actually there's a lot of information online. You can actually Google them, and I put some information here that you can look at them as well. So do not resuscitate, or you want resuscitation done on you. That is a personal choice, right? Feel free to make your own decisions about it. Now, my reminder for you guys is this. If you want do not resuscitate, if you want DNR, you need to make sure there's a different form other than DNR. There's another form. It's called OHDNR. And I put it down here, OHDNR. That means out of hospital. OH, out of hospital, OHDNR. And what that is that, do you guys know, in Missouri, let's say if you have a DNR, right? And then you say that, when I'm home, I do not want any resuscitation, right? Done on me. When I'm in a nursing home, nothing is gonna be done on me, forcefully done on me. When I'm in a hospital, nothing is gonna be done on me. Great. Okay. However, if you are, for some reason, on an ambulance during that ambulance ride, that could be 15 minutes, 20 minutes of ambulance ride. In Missouri, all these EMT guys, these EMT people, ambulance people, they are by law mandated to resuscitate you. Okay, even if you have a DNR. DNR does not protect you for that ambulance ride. So you do have to have a OHDNR in order for the ambulance people to not do things to you or on you. Okay, are we clear? Okay, now next thing, you see that I have this little thing here. What is the color of this thing? Purple. Yes, very good. So you can see that. OHDNR in Missouri, it has to be purple. So you need to do that OHDNR and print that thing on a piece of purple paper. Okay? Now, let me rephrase it. You are gonna need to print that thing and print multiple copies of that on purple papers. Okay? It has to be purple in Missouri. Okay, and then why do I say multiple copies? Because you need a copy on your refrigerator, and then you probably need a copy in your I don't know, in your room, in your wallet, and then you need a copy for your nursing home. You need a copy for your just everyone. Okay, so if you don't want that thing done to you, on you, okay. Now, I've seen a lot of these. Well, not a lot, quite a few of these happening. So in actually veterans' homes. So that a lot of times, people that don't want to they don't want to be resuscitated, especially in veterans' homes. You know what those guys do? The older, especially gentlemen, what they do? They actually tattooed DNR, do not resuscitate, on their chest, right? And then thinking, what's going to happen? Well, when they rip my shirt open and they want to resuscitate, and then they're going to look at my tattoo, they're going to go, oh, well, this one is do not resuscitate, so I'm going to stop, right? Does that work that way? No, just it doesn't work that way anyways. Yeah, no matter which one, okay? Why doesn't that work? Because your chest is not a piece of paper. It's not a legal document. So it's a good reminder, but it's not they cannot legally just stop resuscitating you because they see the tattoo.